Hello, my lions. Guess what? I've been having problems with YouTube. It is not allowing me to make a live video. Instead, the little picture that you saw in the beginning of this video shows up when I try to go live. I've been trying and trying and trying. I have a note into YouTube so they know I'm waiting on the response. They say they're super busy. It might be more than a day before I hear anything, and hopefully I'll hear the right thing back. In the meantime, I just wanted to let you know that I haven't forgotten about you. I would love to be having some open forums with you, answering your questions, comments, and concerns. Don't forget that you're just going to be getting on this channel those live forums. Hopefully I get them back. I'm not able to make them work on any of Larry's YouTube channels either, or Kat and Mr. B. It's not working. So I don't know if it's a YouTube thing or there's something wrong with our system. I don't know. But besides that, if you need more than just the daily videos, then make sure you go over to Patreon. Again, it is $5 a month, but you're getting at least 20 videos a month there, specific videos. Today's video was on being focused versus being aware. There's always going to be a great video for you over there. I have well over 50 videos now, so I welcome you to come into that private group. I would love to have you, and I really think that $5 is a reasonable amount for the amount of work I put in it for you. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I hope to see you live very soon. Don't forget, you are beautiful. Bye.